welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you from my swollen and puffy face. So welcome to another day in my life video. Oh my god, I am so sleepy. I'm doing this whole thing. So welcome to day in my life video. आज का दिन थोड़ा सा busy हो सकता है because we are performing at 5 PM at Bharatnatyam Mandir, Pune today. So it can be a hectic day. So I just woke up, as you can see on my face, and I'm having my warm water with pinch of haldi in it. So I'm having a little bit of haldi today because for the throat. I'm so sleepy. I think it's 10:30 right now. I woke up really late because I slept really late because I was shooting and editing for today's video that is supposed to go today. So I was shooting yesterday and then edited it and made a thumbnail and all of that. So बहुत late हो गया. I think I slept at 3 वगैरह. So now it's 10:30, which is I think okay. So now what I have to be at our rehearsal place at 12:30 today because we're going to do technical rehearsals and all of that. So 12:30 को वहाँ जाना है. इसका मतलब मुझे 12 को घर से निकलना पड़ेगा because of the traffic and whatnot. So I think we have good one and a half hour. So I will get rid of my nail polish first, because like nail paint first, because my character, the character that I play in this play, doesn't do any of this. So I'll get rid of this. I will take a shower. I will pack my bag for today. I usually do it a night before, but because yesterday I could not, itna busy tha and I had no time, so I'll do it right now. I will also sit down and prep for my tomorrow's video, like the video that I'm supposed to shoot today, because आते वक्त बहुत late हो जाएगा and then I'll have no time to prep. So I'll prep for it right now, like write what I want to say and think about it and make a whole plan, and then I will probably eat something and then leave the house. And I'm going to take you guys along with me today, so I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm going to have my haldi water now. I'll probably quickly remove my nail polish and then take a bath. So yes, cheers and good morning. I look this horrible when I wake up, maybe probably worse than this. So then I removed my nail polish. Alright, so done with this. Now I will go take a shower. Hi guys, so I just took a bath and it's 11 AM right now. So I'm going to pack my bag first because that's my priority right now. And then maybe prep for today's video. So yes, let's pack my bag and look at the mess here. So then I started packing my bag. So I'm packing my costume, my properties, and everything that I'm going to need today. So I wear a sari in this play. So it is this sari. And then Mangal Sutra, a few bangles. Yeah, I also wear a wig. So I'm packing all of that here. And then my makeup, because obviously it's a play and it's in a theater, so I need like good makeup. So there you go, my costume and my properties. My script, my makeup pouch, my earphones and some extra cash, an extra bag. That's it. I'll add water bottle later and maybe something to eat. So yes, that's it. Now let's quickly make the bed. Oh, I have been using silk and satin scarf to tie my hair at night. So that's why it's here. that's it. Let's prep for today's video, like the video that I'm supposed to shoot today in the night after my performance. So I will do that right now. वो video कल upload होगा, so I really need to shoot it today. So let's go and write that. Then, like I said, I sat down and did little bit of planning for my video that I was gonna shoot, like I was supposed to shoot that day. So I'm doing that here. I think I'll have to carry my costume bag अलग से because ताकि ये bag में थोड़ी जगह हो. Maybe I can change bags. I don't know what to take there. What time is it? Oh, I have to. Okay, there's some important stuff happening. Okay, I'll put my phone on charging right now because I'll need it throughout the day. भूख तो मुझे लगी नहीं है. Like I said, I usually, like in one of my previous videos, I usually don't have breakfast. But मैं सोच रही हूँ कि आज कुछ तो खा लूँ because पता नहीं फिर कब खाने मिले. I don't know what to do, yaar. Yes, I changed my bag and I'm gonna add some snacks here. So this, I also put, I think, an apple and granola bar. There you go. Hi, so before I go, I'm quickly gonna eat something. So I made this peanut butter bread sandwiches, whatever those are called, and then I'm gonna go. We have some people working in our balcony today. वो ऊपर से shade डालना है तो वो काम भी चल रहा है. So I will eat now and then probably finally go. Yes. So I was on my way to college. We are practicing at our college today, like we were. So this is me on my way. Then we did a technical rehearsal for our light and music. And then we went to eat something. So, and I forgot to shoot that. I forgot to take everybody else's video. So hi Hitesh. Eat. Yeah, okay, bye. Hi, Mini. Thank you. So here people were doing random stuff. People were putting on makeup for the play. People were actually discussing stuff and they were waiting for our tempo wale kaka to come so that we can leave. And I was just teasing my junior Zoshi. So this is our junior. Meet Zoshi. Hi everybody, meet Zoshi. This is the most important person in our group.
बस भी करो अब, बस भी करो.
No, seriously, this is that creepy and crazy guy.
रुको. Let me.
Nobody wants to actually see you, Zoshi. So he makes
This
weird
is my college
songs.
bestie. Aishu Phadke.
So he makes these weird songs like Shola Jo Bhadke, Dil Mein Hai Padke, and that's our director right there. She's Bam. So she makes Bol Bam Bol, Tujha Dilate, Kai Raj Khol and shit. Like this guy is basically that creepy guy you have in a group.
खूप बोलली फडके पण असं काही नाहीये. हे खोटं बोलली सगळं ही जे काय बोलली ते. मी खूप चांगल्या मनाचा मुलगा आहे.
जशी काही तुला पिच करायचं आहे.
माझं इन्स्टा हँडल खाली डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये आहे.
Okay, आहे, check it out. And then finally our tempo was here. तो हमने सब सामान उसमें भरा and then we like left. And oh my god, मैं यहाँ 2 सालों के बाद आई. It felt so good. And then we started getting ready. So like I said, I wear a sari in this play, and I put like I wear a wig. So I was getting ready here. So I was performing after 2 years, and it felt like I was really nervous. और मेरी फटी पड़ी थी honestly, because I don't know, it's just a weird feeling. But I was feeling great, like really great, but really nervous. So all of us were getting ready here. So I play a very simple character in this play, and this character has to be one of my most favorites. This play actually is very special to me. It feels very personal, and I don't know, I have some sort of connection to this play that I cannot explain. And it's not simple. We have complicated history, and it's a weird thing, but I think this whole team and this whole play is really important and special to me. So today's performance was really important and special. So that's just me getting ready. And I was just asking people, do I look simple? Because I usually don't. And then just before we were about to start, I got a message from my mom. So I was like really happy to see that. She was just wishing me luck. Now I could not post a video, but here are a few pictures of like from the play that day. And this was our last frame. Then we came back to college. हमने वो सारा सामान वापस रखा, फिर बैठ के वड़ा पाव खाया, and we discussed the whole प्रयोग, like experience of the प्रयोग, and oh my god, it was amazing.
प्रयोगानंतरचा श्रमपरिहार म्हणजे वडापाव, शिरा आणि चक्रीकडून पार्टी.
After that we went to our favorite place, Shiv Sagar, to have dinner. तो हमने सबने मिलके खाना खाया, and then we were again discussing this whole after performance feeling. Later my brother had some work at my friend's studio, so we went to his studio and we were discussing that. And then hi guys, so I just reached home with my brother. He was managing all our tickets and other set ka sab cheez and everything in our play. So I just reached home with him. It's I think 10:20 right now. I don't remember the last time I came home this early, so it feels really weird. So now I'm gonna go home, call my mom first, tell her everything about the prayog, about the performance. I'll tell you guys too, but in a bit. So I'll go home, call my mom, put my camera on charging because I'm supposed to shoot tomorrow's video today. So I'm going to do that. Khana to ho gaya hai. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you in a bit. Hi guys, I'm back. So now I will shoot my video for tomorrow. और पता नहीं क्यों जब मुझे शूट करना होता है ये कुत्ते पता नहीं कहाँ से आ जाते हैं, but that is like case every single day. So I have my camera and my light here, and I just changed my clothes and put on some liner just to look little better. I'm so tired right now. So yes, I performed after almost 2 years, and oh my god, it felt great. The performance was amazing. I don't know, I just feel so I don't even know the word for it, but I performed after 2 years और बहुत मुझे टेंशन आ गया था because वो एक प्रैक्टिस छूट जाती है, you know, because when you're performing consistently, and I used to perform really consistently before that. So January 2019 में I performed last for Vipasha. उसके बाद Vipasha is name of the production that I used to play a part in. लेकिन उसके बाद because of lockdown सब रुक गया, and then everything kind of stopped. So to perform and go on stage after 2 years, like almost 2 years, felt really crazy. Or especially for this play, I think I performed it after so many years क्योंकि बीच में I don't even remember the last time I performed this particular play. and this one kind of is a special one for me. I really like this. I'm kind of connected to it, so it feels very personal to be part of this play. And like you saw, I play a completely different character who is completely different than like how I am. So when today after I changed into my regular clothes and I came out और मैं बाहर आई, तो people could not even recognize me. Like there were 4 or 5 people who came to me asking, were you the one who played Suman, because we don't like recognize you, you look so different here. And then there was this girl who came crying, who hugged me and could not stop crying because she loved it so much. And it always feels so great, you know, like even one person in the audience if comes to you and says कि उन्होंने कुछ सीखा है इससे, या उनको बहुत हिट हुआ है, या उनको बहुत पर्सनल ये प्ले लगा, it feels like an achievement, and I felt that today. So it feels really great, and I wish this doesn't stop now and we perform. So yeah, it felt great. I called my mom, I also called my dad then. I think I'll call my Aji tomorrow because she would be also interested in knowing ki kya hua, kaise hua. So I'll do that tomorrow because it's really late. It's 12 in the night right now. So I put my camera on charging और उसकी बैटरी dead हो गई थी पूरी, so I could not shoot. So अभी बीच में मैंने 1.5 घंटा टाइम पास किया. I was like sitting and chilling with my brother. We watched a lot of stupid shitty videos on Facebook and Instagram, and we laughed a lot. Then I changed. I did not do much with my face. I really don't want to do much with my face. I don't like putting a lot of makeup when it's not needed. So right now I'm waiting for these dogs to like shut up so that I can shoot. So yes, and then I will clean my room. पता नहीं क्यों in every video that I show you guys I'm almost cleaning, और ऐसा usually नहीं होता है, but because I am having such crazy hectic schedule in like since 2-3 weeks, रोज मेरा कमरा खराब हो जाता है. I'm not even kidding. Like if you will see right now, तो मैं अभी आई, so there is lot of stuff lying here. रोज मेरा कमरा खराब हो जाता है. And then I was sick बीच में, so I have a lot of stupid medicines. Yeah, I was drinking haldi water right now also. Then I have some water, Vicks. मतलब I don't know why, but I have some really random cheeses in my room आजकल. My water bottle, that's my I think second one for the day because I was not home most of the day. And then कपड़े तो भाई पड़े ही रहते हैं हमेशा, पता नहीं क्यों कैसे हो रहा है ये, but anyway, so I clean that, but I clean it every single day और फिर मैं वापस खराब करती हूँ और वापस clean करती हूँ. That's my life. So I will now shoot this video, clean my room, and then see you guys. Then I unpacked my bag and cleaned my bed. बहुत ही random चीज़ें थी वहाँ पे, but I cleaned everything. Hello. Now I cleaned a bit. Clean मतलब घड़ी करके बस वहाँ पे रख दिया. I'll do that. I'll put that in my cupboard and everything tomorrow. Now I think I'll change my clothes, remove my makeup, then transfer all the stuff in the camera, like from the camera to my laptop, and do a little bit of editing. हालांकि मैंने सोचा था कि घर जाके आज मस्त सोएंगे because I've had such a crazy day, but turns out I can't. So I'll have to edit right now. उसके बाद it's Saturday, so I meal prep on my Saturday. So I'll do my meal prepping. So yes. Hi guys. So I changed into my night clothes, as you guys must have seen earlier. And yes, I look really stupid, I know, but I tie my hair in this silk or satin scarf every day. Aajkal, I usually do this, or I put that on my pillow. I think I'm going to put this on my pillow because I look really stupid wearing this, like on the camera especially. So anyway, I just did my meal planning. So I planned for my week, like I planned meals for the whole week kal se, and then I started doing some editing work. I will continue doing this editing work now. और फिर जब नींद आ जाएगी सो जाऊँगी. Honestly, I can't wait to sleep because I'm really like tired and I really need to sleep. So yeah, that's it. और तो कुछ नहीं. Right now I was just planning, like asking my brother if he wants to like watch something, so maybe we might watch some episode or some episode of a series or some movie. I'm not sure if we're gonna do that because it's already 1:21 in the like AM, so I don't know if we will do that, but we might, but I think we won't. Let's see. But then that's it. This is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this day in my life video. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you tomorrow. So yeah, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.
बस यार फोकस.
तर नाही, तू ऍक्सेप्टच नाही करत आहे. तुला
ओ पप्पी तर फोकस आला.
गेला परत, खचला तो.
सीधे फोकस.
द्या ना इकडे, या ना पोरं.
ओ गॉड, एवढा तुझा झूम घेऊ लोक खचतील.
अरे गेला नाही तुम्ही.
आय एम सॉरी.
बेसिक मेकअप करायचं.